Hello everyone, so during this video we'll be doing a magic, we're going to do something in Photopea today. So we'll be doing a magic replace AI tool, Photopea general fill. We're going to do a magic replace. We're going to replace one thing in Photopea. And so first you do Photopea, similar like Photoshop, so both like Photoshop does more, Photopea's like Photoshop, either more like customized photos. It's really easy, you can do any work you want. So where you find is you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th tab. It's like we're going to do a general magic replace AI tool general fill. So we're going to replace one thing in Photopea. It's similar like Photoshop, it's both things. Customize photos like YouTube thumbnails. Photoshop has more options. Photopea is like Photoshop, so both are the same. I use both. I try Photoshop, I customize Photopea, so I do both at the same time. So like customize photos like Photoshop. So let's get to it. So we're going to replace this cheesecake, right? And Photopea. So what do? Click that. Match replace. Replace this. We're going to replace a cheesecake, because we're going to get a different flavor. This is vanilla cheesecake. I want to get another flavor. So what to do, I'm going to replace that one. Then we're going to replace. Yep. Yeah, let's just. Boom, there we go. To generate. Generate one more time. That's a berry cheesecake. processing, so I can change different kind of flavors of cheesecake. Background, change on this side. Alright, there you go. So I got the blackberry caramel vanilla layered cheesecake. I got the chocolate velvet vanilla layered cheesecake. I got the chocolate chips or blueberries layered velvet cheesecake, lemon cheesecake, and I got the chocolate caramel vanilla layered cheesecake. So I like this cheesecake better, so I changed into different kind flavors of cheesecake, like different kind, like change the picture. So for me, I like the cheesecake, so different kind of flavors, so I can pick what I want flavors I want when I'm in the store outside the house. So I choose a cheesecake. So I like this cheesecake is chocolate vanilla caramel layered cheesecake, so I would choose this cheesecake. Yeah, so that was an easy video. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe and have a good one. So that's how to do general fill on Magic Wand. It's really easy video. It's magic replace, so it looks really cool. So then I got the, so I generate these ones, these kind of flavors. Okay, so I got the chocolate cheesecake, so layered cheesecake. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe and have a good one. Bye all.